Hello everyone, I'm Moti from Watairgy, the CTO and the co-founder, and I'm going to present you today the Watairgy solution for green energy harvesting. So it is surprising, but 65 to 80% of American households cannot install any kind of green energy solution. In multi-residential buildings, for example, there's often insufficient space to install a wind turbine or a solar system. Even in houses with enough space, in many places there's a lack of enough sunlight hours to make it cost effective. Additionally, the high installation costs pose a significant burden, a financial burden for many. So as a result, less than 3% of the American households install any kind of green energy, solar system or any kind. We are introducing what we believe is a game changer in the category of green energy harvesting for the residential market. Our compact box produces an electricity, by using the surrounding air and water from the apartment water line, cutting the electricity bill by 70%. A typical system produces about 900 kilowatts hour per month and costs roughly $2,500 with a nominal electricity cost of about 2.4 cents per kilowatt hour. With the size of about a refrigerator, it can be placed almost anywhere, even in the laundry balcony. It produces electricity 24/7, independent of sun or wind, and reducing carbon emissions by over 27%. So how does it work? Essentially in three steps. First, we inject a fine spray of water into an air tank which is sealed. As a result, we start a rapid evaporation that reduces the temperature and pressure of the air in the tank and causing the piston at the bottom of the tank to raise up. Then we open the air valves, and by using a fan we replace the air inside of the tank with fresh air from the outside. The pressure between the tank and the surrounding is equalized, causing the piston to go up. The cyclic motion of the piston up and down is then converted into electricity by using an alternator, for example. As for our business model, we are going to sell Watairgy system to installer of solar systems and to enhance their product offering, and then in turn will offer it to green energy project owners. Recently, we validated the thermodynamic theory and the thermodynamic theory and optimized the injection properties to create the desirable pressure differences between the tank and the outside. Now we are focusing on the energy conversion system. We are in a fundraising round, aiming to raise about $2 million to develop a full prototype and to produce 20 customer POCs by the end of 2025. We have a strong R&D team with the suitable engineering and scientific background led by a serial entrepreneur with the right business background. That was us, Watairgy, turning a drop of water into a wave of green energy. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Can you say a word about where exactly is the IP?
The way we inject the water to the tank is very complicated, and the IP, part of the IP is in the injection, and another part of the IP is in the energy conversion.
Hi, Maria from Tehran. I have a question about the temperature dependence. Can it work in below zero, or do you have some limitation of weather, environment?
Because the air reduces its temperature about 8 Celsius degrees. The limit is 10 Celsius degrees. Below 10 Celsius degrees, it should stop working and wait for the temperature to goes up.
Thank you.
Hi, Amir from ESIL here in Center. Can you talk about water usage? It's not a closed cycle, right? So what's the amount of water used per day or in whatever metrics you want to measure it?
About 7 cubic meters for month. It's about another person in the house. Something like that.